A tiny puppy is sitting alone near the road, crying softly. The puppy looks sad and scared. Little Margo walks by and notices the crying puppy. She stops immediately. Margo looks surprised and concerned. Margo gently picks up the puppy and strokes its head with love. The puppy starts to feel calm. Margo gives the puppy some milk. The puppy wags its tail happily. Happiness and relief. Margo finds the puppy's owner and returns it safely. The owner thanks Margo warmly. Gratitude and joy. People praise Margo's kindness. The puppy's owner says, "You did a wonderful deed." The screen shows the words, "Moral, a little kindness makes a big difference."